Are you looking for the best smart plugs? In this video, we will look at some of the best smart plugs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Matter Wi-Fi Mini Smart Socket. Smart Socket only supports 2.4G Wi-Fi. You can follow the steps in Smart Life app to connect. Works with Alexa, Google Home, Smart Life app, voice control, timing, and Tuya integration. It connects via Wi-Fi and is compatible with the Smart Life app for easy control from anywhere. Smart Home Plug integrates compatible with the Smart Life app, allowing you to manage your devices from one central location. You can also set up automation to trigger multiple devices at once. Whether you're at home or away, you can turn the Wi-Fi plug on or off, set schedules from your smartphone, then enjoy your smart life. Number 2. Power Multi-Tap Universal Plug. With a rated power of 2500 W and 10A capacity, it can handle high-power electrical devices. The power strip's compact size and wall-mounted installation make it an ideal space-saving solution. Equipped with 5 sockets, 2 USB, and 4 Type-C ports, this power strip ensures versatile charging options. Crafted from durable plastic, this power strip offers long-lasting performance and stability. Features a child protection door to prevent accidental electric shocks, enhancing safety. Number 3. Y42A EU UK US Universal Plug. The surface-tempered glass is more American standard, easy to wipe, prevent scratches. Socket plus USB plus Type-C charging multiple functions are integrated into one product. Enough to buy one product is equivalent to using 2 functions. One USB can support QC 3.0 fast charging, and one supports normal charging. The device can support USB charging for mobile phones, computers, etc., which is more convenient. Supports US plug, EU plug, and UK plugs, and can supply power to fans, desk lamps, TVs, computers, and other equipment. Countdown and timing operations can be performed on the socket and USB charging respectively, which is very user-friendly. Number 4. Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Plug. Plug-and-play design allows for quick, wall-embedded setup without the need for complex wiring. Automatically powers off to protect appliances in case of excess current, ensuring safety. Instantly connects to any 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, eliminating the need for additional gateways. Convenient smartphone app management for remote access and scheduling, enhancing home automation. Seamlessly integrates with Alexa and Google Home, allowing for hands-free operation with voice commands. Number 5. Zemismart Zigbee 10A Brazil Socket. This button is a power button that is only used to control the outlet and cannot be used to control the Type-C port. It also cannot connect to lighting and does not have the function of a light switch. 10A outlet. The outlet holes comply with Brazilian standards and have a maximum current of 10A to power small appliances such as kettles, fans, and stereos.